What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. On this video I won't take too long. I just want to share with you my week so far. It's been pretty nice. I like those type of weeks when it starts kind of like bad. The way how I know my strategy, usually by this day I can know if I'm profitable this week or just taking a nail. Yeah, so basically on this week so far I do have 2 winners and 2 losses. Yeah, let's just go through real quick and you will understand what I'm talking about. The first thing what I want to say, nobody knows where the market is gonna go. Everybody who told you that everybody knows where the market goes and he knows like the perfect scenario where to jump in, where to get out, this is bullshit. I'm telling you right away. Nobody knows where the price is going. The only thing what you can do is just to place a trade and wait for the results. Very simple, very smoothly, and just do it consistently. Then you're gonna see the results. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Yeah, the price action, basically he was making his move up, down, up. He took this high. I was expecting the price action to move down to take. That's what he did. But the problem is because I entered here, I didn't want to take too long, you know, like to wait for all this retracement, because the reason why I'm thinking is everybody bought the price here, I would say here, I would say even here. So basically everywhere people bought. Yeah, and once I was expecting the price action to start moving back down and to take this low. Yeah, the price action basically spacked up. Yeah, they took all those highs and I was thinking due this beautiful candle, yeah, the price action is going to go to the downside and we're going to take at least first swing. The first buyers they will take out down. Yeah, at the end they finished to take all of them, but they still took, they basically took me out first and then went to the downside. Yeah, it is what it is. Your buyer can be 100% right, but you never know how the price action will gonna behave. So unfortunately you won't be able, you will still get a loss. So it is what it is. I know this sounds like it's a counter trend trade, but man, that's how I trade and that's what I do basically. Yeah, same story here. Yeah, the price action move up, move down, move up. Yeah, they basically barely took this high. The price action pulled back, and when I saw like the price action came down, came back up, yeah, I was expecting the reversion. So that's why I saw this beautiful candle, like bearish or whatever, power strong candle. Yeah, and they're basically on this trade, on this candle, and I was expecting the price action to go to take at least this one. Unfortunately, same thing happened. The price action just stopped me out and moved to the downside. Obviously I was right on both scenarios. The problem is because there is no problem basically. Yeah, it's just the trade didn't work out. That's it. There is nothing that I can say much about these trades. Yeah, they just didn't want to work out because here, right here, yeah, the price action, obviously they took this these lows. Yeah, and I was expecting maybe the price action to take even this low, but then I saw the price action kind of start moving back up. I was expecting to take first this high and then this high. It was about to take this high, unfortunately it did not. But anyway, how I say that, I'm not taking too much. I'm not taking like every single move and keep the entire move like to take it. I just, for me it's enough like 1 to 2 risk to reward, small stop loss, small TP, you know, just a quick scalp. Yeah, that's what I did here. It went up like 2R. That's great. I'm on break even for the week. And today in the morning it was a beautiful week, a beautiful morning, man. Like I love those setups. Yeah, the price action basically moved his basically he was moving up, and then obviously buys everywhere, people buying. I knew like somewhere, somehow the price action should reverse and just take all the bars off. Yeah, and that's what happened. I saw this price action pulled back. Yeah, took even lower, took all these. Yeah, and from here basically, yeah, the price action, this I think is London low, took the Asia low. Yeah, or the Frankfurt, and this is Frankfurt. So basically they just took it, and I saw first rejection, it was coming down, second rejection, and I was like, no man, this price action most likely is gonna take, let me just guess which This one is going to be my first target, this one is going to be my second target, and this one is third, but basically you can count that as a one target, yeah. We will see how the price action will basically eventually develop, but this first trade from today is a beautiful trade. We took a win, and yeah guys, we will see in the New York session what provides. If it's gonna provide me any beautiful setup, I will basically take it, and then we're gonna post a short video or something like that if I'm gonna take it. And yeah guys, just make sure you're gonna hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video if you do want to see more of those basically trades video. But usually what I'm doing, I don't really showing, you know me, I don't really showing you guys what it was in the past. I usually posting every single video as a trade setup and all entire process. Let me know down in the comments what you like more, how I'm breaking down my trades that I have already taken. Either do you want me to see the real trading taking, like how is my previous video? Let me know down in the comments. But in the meantime, you can just leave a like, subscribe if you want, but basically you can do whatever you want. But for now guys, that's it. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace and love guys. I'm out.